Okay, today's our last day of coding our room, and you'll submit it day 3. Remember to find your room. You go to My Stuff under your drop-down name of your room and see inside your project. So we've landed here, Watts Coded Room. On the last video, we left you off with adding your pet. So your pet should be in your room. You should be on a blank coding screen because you've highlighted your pet. See, if I jump over to my avatar, Katie, I can see all the code for her. If I jump over to my cat, I see no code because we haven't coded them yet. And if I click on my background, I see the code we coded for our background. And you always know what coding screen you're on because that little avatar appears up here in the corner. So you can see we're in the cat screen. To start our code off, we want to place our cat in the room at the start of the flag where we want him positioned. So make sure your cat or your animal is where you want it. Come into the blue motion pieces and use that one we're familiar with. It's 5 down. Go to X and Y location. And that will start my cat. No matter where I drag him in the room, the cat comes back to its home location. Okay, but I do want the cat to move. So I'm going to bring out the events and I'm going to bring out when the spacebar is pressed. Okay, I'm going to first, before I do any coding, bring the cat to where I want it. So I want it to come by my slippers. Okay, so I am going to use the motions now and see that the XY has changed to this -19, -91. It's different. And I'm going to use this glide to for blank seconds. And I'm going to go ahead and change this to 3. So in 3 seconds, he will glide to that new location. So clicking the flag to restart, hitting the space bar, and he should glide in 3 seconds to my slippers. Okay, so that is motion for my cat. I now want to create sound for my cat. So when the cat is clicked, when the sprite is clicked, sounds, play. And I've already recorded mine, but I'm going to do it. I'll show you how again, record. And then you're going to record your animal sound. Meow, 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 meow. Stop. Okay, click all of that, cut it to where I want it. Okay, save it. I'm going to name it animal sound. Okay. And mine puts it 2 just because this is the second one I've recorded today. So don't worry, yours will just say animal sound. Come over to my code, use the drop-down menu, and choose my animal sound. And then now when I click on the cat, it should do the meowing sound. Again, adding no effects, that should just be your voice. Okay, now we're done with the cat. We're going to log into Pixton from Google Classroom. And we're going to come up here to our Pixton character up on our name, and you're going to redesign your character to be somebody different. So just go ahead and change some of the features. It can be a boy, it can be a girl, I don't care. It can be anything. It does not matter. You can change any of their features. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. I don't want glasses anymore. Okay, and then once you finish doing them in their pose, okay, we're going to go ahead and download that full body shot. Okay, you're going to come back to your room. Okay, you're going to go to the sprite upload button, sprite and upload. They're in the right hand corner. Choose your new avatar. Okay, again, now we have to rename it. We're going to name this one friend. Okay, and we're going to resize him to 60. Okay, so he fits. And then we're going to place him across the room from our original avatar, so farther away from yourself. Okay, we know we're on his code because we see him up here. Okay, he's named friend. I'm going to set his location using the when flag clicked and our traditional XY location so that he is set where he needs to be at the start of the code. We're going to use that same theory as last time. This time we're going to use when the F key is pressed for friend, when the F is pressed, and we're going to use that glide motion, but we need to move him first, so don't use it yet. Glide him over to yourself. You want to glide him right up next to you. Now use that block that says glide, and we're going to change it to 5 seconds. Okay, so now when I hit the flag, he goes back, and when I hit the F key, he should slowly glide over to yourself. Okay. Final piece, we're going to come down here to the corner where the purple block is. Text to speech option. Okay. We're going to bring out the events, and when the sprite is clicked on, okay, I should go back. And there they are. Text to speech are added now. So I'm going to use the speak hello button, and I'm going to change this to say 2 sentences. Hello, my name is, and you're going to choose an appropriate name, Sam, period. Nice to meet you, period. 2 sentences. Hello, my name is Sam. Nice to meet you. So now when I click on him, an additional thing you can add if you want is to set the voice. You have 2 choices. Alto is more feminine, and the other one I'll allow is the tenor, which is more masculine. Do not do not do not use any of the random ones like kitten or giant. Okay, do not use any of squeak, giant, or kitten. You can use tenor or alto based on the gender of your character if you want. Okay, but have hello, my name is, nice to meet you. We're going to save now on our purple bar, and then we're going to now submit our project. So I'm going to come to the C project page. We've already shared it. C project page, copy link right here, copy link. Use the blue text to copy it. It says copied. I'm going to come over into Schoology. The project that you're using is the link. So if I look at my calendar in Schoology for today, let me go to the lobby again. If I look at the lobby, it says link to Scratch Coded Room student slide. And the student slide looks like this. You're going to type your name. That part's easy. First and last name at the top. I'm going to Control V to paste my link, and I'm going to hit enter so that the link turns blue. Super important that you hit enter after pasting so that this is a clickable link that Ms. Watts can go grade. You can test it out to make sure it works, but as long as it's blue like this, it should, and it ends in that number. You know you've copied the right link if it ends in that number, and not this particular number, but a number, and you hit enter and it turns blue. So repeating those steps one more time so you don't have to rewind. I came up to the top of my purple bar where it said see project page. I copy the link. I use the words copy link again. I come over to my slides. Okay, I paste the slide, enter, and then it turns blue. Okay. And then I go into Schoology to the assignment, and I click the white submit button from the assignment page. So when I'm in the assignment page, as a student, you have my document, and you've clicked on it, and you click the submit button so that it sends it to Ms. Watts. Okay. And if you have any other questions, let me know.